Ready, start. It is the mind of the court which is to be satisfied whereabout turn of some of eyewitnesses in the manner stated above shakes up the whole prosecution case from the point of view of credibility of the remain material. Further, in the case of 448, the Honorable Supreme Court held such deviation through affidavit as further inquiry in following manner. Though initially petitioner was nominated in the FIR by the complainant as an accused, but later on through affidavit he stated that he is satisfied with regard to the innocence of the petitioner and does not want to proceed with the matter. This aspect of the matter has not been taken into consideration by the courts below. We, without touching the merits of the case, are of the view that case of petitioner is of further inquiry. In the instant case, as admitted by complainant, her mother and grandmother, that they have been compensated by the accused outside the court. Therefore, they have given no objection for grant of bail in favor of the applicants. Such attitude can well be taken as one of the grounds of further inquiry. The reference can be had from the case of, be that as it may, after reading the statement of the petitioner recorded by the learned additional session judge while disposing of the pre-arrest bail application of respondents, we are in no doubt that a sum of rupees 4,000 was received by the petitioner as compensation for settlement